Okay, class. It's math time. What is 2 times 2? Who's know the answer? Yes, Cathammer bro?
5.
Okay. Who's not to say the answer just like an completely idiot? Come on, guys. Don't be shy.
I know the answer, Mrs. Ashley. Hey, Eli. Don't say Mamie at 12 times.
Shut up, fat.
Eli.
Well, Eli is a in cuss words.
Dark Blueberry Bowser.
You can't say the I and J cuss words.
Diesel Bro. Dark Tropical Bowser Jr. How about you, Eli, Diesel Bro and Dark Blueberry Bowser to go to the principal's office?
Oh, how about you shut up, you?
What do you say of me?
I said, how about you shut up, you?
Holy dude.